In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a battery in a Chevy Malibu, located in the engine compartment, right in front of the driver's seat. Remove your negative battery cable. That's going to be a 10mm wrench or socket. Just take that nut off, loosen it up, wiggle it a little bit, see if you can pull it up. Make sure you set it aside so it does not reconnect and ground out during your service. And right here, I just want to say, is where your hold down bracket should be. Ours is missing, and the screw goes right in here, so you go straight down like that. Should be a plastic or a metal bracket holding that lip of that battery back there. At this point, I would take that off because you want to be able to slide the battery to get the positive battery terminal off. So it should be a 13mm socket, I do believe, on that 8mm bolt. So we got that out of the way. Now I'm just going to slide my battery a little bit back and forth, because this cover is really something. So you pull this tab, there's another one over here, and you slide it that way. Then I just lift it up. So the positive terminal right here, this nut, is what tightens that terminal in that battery post. So with a 10mm socket, because you really can't get a wrench in there, maybe an open end, kind of struggle with it, but if that's all you have, but I'm going to take that and loosen that right up. I don't need to take it completely out. I just want to loosen it. I'm going to twist this mechanism, pull up. So with this box, there's a plastic tab right here. You want to take a flat screwdriver and pull that tab out so that you can lift it up the rest of the way. Just like that. Now go ahead and lift it up. At this point, you like to make sure your tray is in good shape. It's not corroded or rotted anywhere. It's not loose. And like I said, our hold down was missing. If yours is, I strongly recommend getting one. We are ordering ours so we can mount this nice and tight so it won't roll around. Now take your battery, lay it back in the tray. Make sure it's seated down. I'm going to take the positive first terminal. I'm going to bring it over the positive battery terminal, and I'm going to take a piece of, I want to make sure it's seated all the way down. No hammer, please don't use a hammer. But they don't make it easy with this lovely fuse box that's attached, so you want to make sure that's all the way down. If it's not all the way down, all battery terminals have a cone shape to them, and if you're up on the top, it's not making full contact. And nowadays the car has to have full battery contact. I'm just trying to tap that down in a pleasant way. Now I'm going to take a 10mm socket and that plastic piece, click down in and tighten up the terminal end. Now just snug it and then grab the terminal. Make sure that does not spin. I'm going to put that cover on, slide it in place. These tabs are supposed to lock right over. There's two of them. Now you can connect your negative battery terminal, hook it up. Make sure that terminal sits all the way down on that post. You don't want it sitting up. It was wrong when I disconnected it. It was sitting up too high. So if you have a terminal spreader, that's great. If you don't, I have enough space here to get a flathead screwdriver in there and open that up. So I'm just going to give it a little lift like this and help it. That's probably why it wasn't done in the first place the correct way. There we go. Plastic is better than steel because we don't want to break that battery terminal. So now it's seated correctly. 10mm socket or wrench, and let's snug this up. Make sure there's no movement. Now at this point is when you would put your battery mount in, so if you had one, it'd sit up against the slip, the bolt will go there, and just tighten it up. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.